The hidden truth about sex. That is what I want to disclose in this video. Anyone who pretends that he or she don't like sex is a liar. And I want to give you the hidden truth you need to know about this exercise. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end to know the truth everyone needs to know, or you should know, about this exercise. But before I proceed, I want to tell you that you are welcome. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, natural ways to keep men, both dating and relationship advice for both men and women. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new upload. So what are the hidden truths about this exercise? But what is sex? Sex is something God gave every living thing to use it to multiply, to use it to reproduce so that they will have generations. That is sex. And this is ordained by God, because it is through it we can have offsprings, we can have generation. So sex is not a bad thing at all costs. So the hidden truth about it is that, number one, it is an exercise which everyone needs to feel happy, to feel free, to release hormones that will make you to be strong and to be free in life. That is what having this practice or exercise will give you. It is a powerful exercise that will stimulate some organs, blood flow in your body system, which will help you to live healthy and become happier as a human being. That is what sex will give to you. Number two hidden truth about it is that everyone likes it. Anyone who pretends not to like sex is a liar. If anyone pretend or say that he or she don't like it, check that person very well. If he or she is normal, definitely he or she must like it. And if that person is abnormal, that is when that person will say that he or she don't like it, and there is a reason for that. But naturally, on a plain note, everyone on this earth like this exercise. And these are the two simple hidden truths I want to disclose in this video. Everyone like it. No one will say that he or she don't like it. After all of us came on this world or came in this world through it, and we will love it as well. And God give it to every one of us naturally. It is a natural phenomenon. You must feel it, you must desire it, but the difference is how you control your urge, how you do your own exercise, frequent, and maybe when you have it. That is the only difference. But everyone like this exercise. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Support this channel by subscribing, turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new content, it will get you notified of my new upload. If you have questions or comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Share this video to your loved ones. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.